Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. In previous classes, I had taught you about the lesson number 1, the poem The Cherry Tree. Today's topic is lesson number 2, A Great Scientist. So before going to start the lesson, I repeat once all of you open your book and page number 4. See the page number 4. Keep finger on the first line. I will read first. Afterwards, I will explain to you. Lesson number 2. A Great Scientist. The central hall of the Royal Society of London was packed. A demonstration by a young scientist was about to take place. He wanted to prove through an experiment that, like animals, plants also feel pain and die in a few minutes after being poisoned. A number of eminent scientists had gathered in the hall to see the experiment. So children, I will explain you now. A central hall of the Royal Society of London. In London, the central hall, one hall, big hall is there of Royal Society. It was packed. Packed means fully packed with people. A demonstration by a young scientist was about to take place. One young scientist have to demonstrate about something, some experiment. So all are gathered there. He wanted to prove through an experiment like animals, plants also feel pain and die in a few minutes after being poisoned. So he wanted what he wanted to prove? He wanted to prove in his experiment that animals, plants also feel like animals. See, if you get hurt or if you get wound, you will get pain, children. You sometimes it will be bleeding and you get wound means you have to go to doctor treatment. So animals and plants also get same feel pain and they will die when after a few minutes when it will poison. If any poison is there, it will be die also. A number of eminent scientists had gathered in the hall to see the experiment. So many number of scientists, means famous scientists, had gathered in the hall to see the experiment. Now children, down paragraph, see the down. The scientists started the experiment by injecting poison into a plant. According to his calculations, the plant should have died in a few minutes, but it did not. The audience started laughing. The scientists thought quickly what went wrong. So what happened, children? The scientists started the experiment by injecting. Inject means you know that inject means have to syringe, have to put the poison into the plant. He wanted to put poison inject to that plant. According to his calculation, what he calculation done before, the plant should have died in a few minutes after the plant should be die. But it's not happened like that. But it did not. Why? The audience started laughing. All full audience, that all people, all scientists started to laugh. The scientists thought quickly, what went wrong? What did I mistake? Any wrong is there? Next children, page number 5. See the first paragraph, top. The poison that he had injected into the plant did not kill it. So he supposed this poison would not hurt him either. He got ready to inject himself with the poison. At that instant, a man got up and confessed that he had replaced the poison with colored water. Now the experiment was conducted again with real poison. The plant died as expected. Everyone present in the hall started clapping. The young scientist instantly became famous. So, what happened, children? I am explaining you now this paragraph. The poison, what he had injected in the plant, did not kill the plant. Why? He supposed this poison would not hurt him either. Means what happened? He got ready to inject, so he is supposed to poison to him only. He wanted to inject the poison to himself. So he got ready to inject himself with the poison. What will be happen? Maybe he will die. But at that instant, a man got up and confessed. Suppose, means in that time only one man got up, stand and confessed something, have mistake happened in that experiment. What? He replaced the poison with colored water. In that poison place, by mistake, he replaced to take the colored water, some colored water. Now the experiment was conducted again with the real poison. Now correctly he took the poison, that poison in the inject inside, syringe inside, and he put in the plant. The plant died. After a few minutes after, the plant died. Everyone present in the hall started clapping. All people, those who were gathered in the hall, they started to clap for his success. What he wanted to experiment, it was getting success. The young scientist instantly became famous. So what happened after that young scientist? In that time onwards, he became a famous scientist. Next paragraph. Do you know who this young scientist was? He was the famous Indian physicist and botanist Jagadish Chandra Bose. So, do you know that who is that young scientist? He was a famous our Indian physicist and botanist. This is one part of science. This is the physicist and botanist, both are the one part of the science. His name was Jagadish Chandra Bose. Next paragraph, children. Jagadish Chandra Bose was born 30th November 1858 in Munsiganj district in the present day Bangladesh. Jagadish Chandra received his early education in Bengali in a school started by his father for orphans and the poor. So what happened? This paragraph now I am going to explain. Jagadish Chandra Bose was born November 30th, 1858 in Munsiganj, that is the one district in Bangladesh. Now present that place in Bangladesh. Bangladesh is another one country, means our neighboring country. Okay. Jagadish Chandra received his early education in Bengali. He started his early education, means from childhood onwards he was studied that one early education in Bengali language in a school started by his father for orphans and the poor. His father was started a school for orphans and poor. Those who are orphans means those who don't have father, mother, this kind of people, means children, and poor. Poor means those who don't have more money, they are called poor. Next paragraph. As a boy, Jagadish was influenced by a servant who used to take him to school. The servant was a reformed dacoit. On the way to school, he would tell Jagadish about the events of his life and how he had come to realize that he was on the wrong path. His stories left a lasting impression on the boy. So, children, as a boy, Jagadish was influenced by a servant. One servant has helped take him to school. That servant was reformed dacoit. Dacoit means rubber, one type of rubber, yes. On the way to school, when he was going to school with that servant, the Jagadish about he is telling that servant was telling more stories about his life, means about his that previous life, past life, what he did and how he had become realized he was dacoit is not a good, that is a wrong, it is a fully wrong path. He realized after that one, that story he used to tell to Jagdish. His stories left a lasting impression on the boy. So whatever he was telling the story, that boy, scientist, young scientist boy, it is impressed to him. He is getting impression about his stories. Next paragraph, children. Young Jagadish was fond of listening to stories from the Indian epics. Karna of the Mahabharata was his idol. What happened? This paragraph, and I am explaining. Jagadish, young Jagadish was very fond of me. He liked to listen the stories of Indian epics. Indian epics means the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. These kind of stories are there, no, in our Indian history. So that one he likes to listen. Karna of the Mahabharata was his idol. Who is the idol? He means he loves too much to that Mahabharata. Karna is there, that character. Next, last paragraph, children. Both studied at St. Xavier's College, Kolkata, then known as St. Xavier's School, Calcutta. After his school education, he attended Cambridge University, England, for higher studies. Both studies were in St. Xavier's College. See the pronunciation, St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. Now it is became a name, St. Xavier's School, Calcutta. After his school education, he attended Cambridge University, England. For higher studies purpose, he went to the Cambridge University in England. So children, this is the story. This much today I will explain to you. Now I am telling some new words. You have to underline it. Okay. So let's get started the words from first paragraph. Underline. Take your pencil and underline the words. I will tell one by one now. Royal Society. ROYAL SOCIETY. Society. Royal Society. Underline do. Next, London. 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 And next, demonstration. 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 Next, third line, experiment. 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 Fourth line, poisoned. 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 Eminent. 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 Down paragraph. First line, injecting. 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 Next line, calculations. 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 Down line, audience. Audience, audience. Next, page number 5, children. Physicist. 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 Botanist. 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 Jagadish. 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 Chandra. Chandra. Boss. Bose. Jagadish Chandra Bose. Next paragraph, second line, Munsiganj. Munshshiganj. Munsiganj. Next line, Bangladesh. 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 This paragraph last line, orphans. 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 Next paragraph, first line, influenced. 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 Third line, dacoit. 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 Eighth line, realize. Realized. Realize. Last line, impression. 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 Next paragraph, last line, Mahabharata. 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 Last paragraph, first line, Saint Xavier's. St means Saint. Xavier's. 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 Saint Xavier's College. 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 Next line, Cambridge. 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 University. 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 Last line, England. 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 Okay. So these words, what I underlined, you have to read these words, and the story also you have to try at home to read yourself. And any new words which one have doubt, that see the page number 7, they are given the new meaning of some words. You have to can understand the meaning of these words, and you have to practice read at your home by own. Bye children.